Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God. Turner, I'm shocked.
My goodness.
That man, what is that?
I took pictures of it before I sent it, and it was hideous.
I just can't believe it.
I can't either.
Oh
Mommy,
my,
it's
look at this.
beautiful.
That man don't know how to clean nothing.
Oh my God.
I can't believe the difference in the cleaning.
You can just leave it because
God, I'm shocked.
I am too.
I'm in shock because I was here when he brought it back.
Okay, first of all, there was black soot all the way over there. Do you see that? It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. It's
Wow.
gone. I just amazed on this. This is what got me.
The fringe looks
Yeah,
like
fringe.
this.
Oh
Yes,
my
it
goodness. Yes, yes.
Wow. This is
Now
gorgeous.
listen, honey.
This obviously there's a fireplace. I had a little baby. We live in our home, so things were spilt on it. It was more like just a regular rug, even though we knew it was an expensive Oriental rug. But I didn't want to live in something I couldn't use.
Right.
So we sent it to get cleaned. I won't mention to who over in Chevy Chase, but anyway, they promised assured. I pointed out all the defects as I did to you all, and basically just said there's black soup, there's Coke, there's coffee, there were stains. The fringes looked like they were black. That's how dirty they were. And now you bring it to me and it looks like a brand new rug. They tried to tell me when I first brought this carpet in, oh yes, and I basically just said, look, you do what you can with it. I don't think you can fix it. And the owner basically said, ma'am, I will do it for free if I do not get it clean.
Wow.
And
Yeah,
he did it.
and now look at it.
For my daughter, because mine, you haven't seen mine yet. I had to bring mine for the tree. Yes. And
We are the fifth generation in buying, selling, trade, repair and cleaning Oriental rugs. Don't just trust any cleaning company out there. Our staff, which is trained for repair and cleaning, they will make sure to bring your rug as good as the new one. We have two locations, one in Lexington in Richmond Road and one in Louisville, Kentucky, close to Ashley Furniture. Call us today for free pickup and delivery. Thank you.